Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to manage envelopes in DocuSign eSignature. Managing your envelopes effectively helps you stay organized and keep track of all your important documents and agreements in one place. Let's walk through how you can do this step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to DocuSign.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in using your credentials. After signing in, you'll be directed to your DocuSign dashboard where you can access all your envelope management tools. Now look at the top toolbar and click on Agreement. This is your central hub for managing all types of envelopes and documents within DocuSign. Clicking this will open up the main agreement management interface where you can view and organize everything. Next, in the left sidebar, click on Inbox. This section displays all the envelopes that require your attention or that you need to manage. You'll see a comprehensive list of envelopes sent to you or those awaiting action. Take a moment to let the page load fully so all your envelopes appear. Navigate to the specific envelope you want to manage, and you'll notice 3 dotted lines beside it. Click on those dots to reveal several options. You'll see choices such as Print, Move, Forward, Copy, Save as Template, History, and Transfer Ownership. These options give you full control over what you can do with each envelope, allowing you to tailor your workflow to your specific needs. Now, in the left sidebar, click on Sent. This section shows you all the envelopes you've sent out to others. It's a great way to track what's been delivered and monitor the status of your outgoing documents. Once this list loads, you can navigate to any envelope you want to manage. If you need to take action on a sent envelope, you can click Download to save a copy, or if it's still editable, you can choose Continue editing the envelope. Additionally, you'll see those 3 dotted lines right beside each envelope. Clicking on them will present you with various options to manage that particular envelope according to your preferences. Moving on, click on Completed in the left panel. This is where all your finished envelopes are stored. These are documents that have been fully signed and finalized. You can download any completed envelope for your records, or click the 3 dotted lines to access additional options for managing these completed files. Finally, if you have any unfinished envelopes, click on Drafts in the left sidebar. This section contains all your draft envelopes that you started but haven't sent yet. You can continue working on these drafts whenever you're ready to complete and send them out. And that's it. You now know how to efficiently manage all your envelopes across different statuses in DocuSign eSignature. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.